Hi there, I am Karna Live Now. How would you like to have one of these, a marketing magic wand? I don't know about you, but I have certainly frequently wished in my life that I had a magic wand, and now I do. It is my pre-trained AI assistant. I don't know where you fall onto the spectrum of AI adopting. Are you someone who's really scared of it? Who's like, nope, not for me. The robots are going to take over. I'm not doing it. Are you someone who's worried about the ethical implications? Is this bad for the environment? Is it going to take over jobs? I don't like this. This is scary to me. Or are you someone who's like, yeah, I'm old. I don't know how to take on new technology. It scares me. It feels a little intimidating. I just don't want to touch it. It's freaking me out. Or you've been dabbling a little bit, but the content that's coming out of your AI, whether you're using Claude or ChatGPT, it doesn't sound like you, doesn't sound right. It feels generic and you don't really know how to prompt it so that what you get out is really what you want. No matter where you fall on the spectrum, the marketing magic wand is for you. Poof! Here's what I want you to know is that 2.5 years ago, I started using AI, and really I was just dabbling. I was kind of just playing around with it, and very quickly I could realize the power that this new technology had. Of course, I was skeptical like everyone else, but I still kept with it. And last year, it really was the tool that I had that allowed me to work half as much and make almost double what I made the year before. So I know firsthand the power that having an AI assistant really can have for you. But you really want it to be well trained, because otherwise you'll getting that content that it sounds like AI. You know what I'm talking about. And it looks like AI. It has the emojis in certain places. It uses phrases like embark on a journey or delve into this. It's very AI, and you can tell. But the cool thing is that there is a different way of doing it, and it doesn't even take that long. And what I tell my students is, if you are good with people, if you know how to train a person, you know how to train AI. And inside the Marketing Magic Wand, I'll walk you through the entire process. It's going to take you anywhere between 1 hour and maybe 3 hours to train this, depending on how much content you have available and how quickly you work. But at the end, you will have a brand guide, and you'll have pre-formatted content that you can put inside of any, and I mean ChatGPT, Claude, whatever AI tool you use, put it in any AI solution, and the content that will come out of the AI will blow your dang mind. If you want an example of this, you can just read the sales page. It was written using my trained AI, and it is in my voice. If this sounds like something you might need, if you are tired of spending money on VAs or people on Fiverr or people who don't follow through or who ghost you or whatever it is, and you want a reliable assistant that can even show up at 3 a.m. when you have hot flashes or perimenopausal symptoms kick in, this little course is for you. I hope I get to be your guide. I want you to know that I have taken ethical implications into consideration, and I will teach you the good, the bad, the ugly, and the magical. And I hope I'll get to see you inside. Mwah! Now let's put this wand to good use. Hocus pocus, feeling you good.